In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the cannot verify server identity error message on your iPhone. So you can fix this by heading over to the settings app on your phone, and then we're just going to scroll down and select general. From here, scroll down again and select date and time. And the first thing you want to do here is make sure set automatically is turned on and enabled, and also make sure your time zone is set to the correct location. Then what you can do is come back out of the settings window, come back to the main settings page, and then we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see apps and click on this. Then scroll down again and select calendar from the list, and right at the top click on calendar accounts. Now what you need to do here is delete any unused or unrecognized accounts that you may have here. So you can see I have one iCloud account at the top, so I'm just going to click on this. And what you can do is, if it's an iCloud account like this, is you can scroll all the way down to the bottom and press sign out, and then you can just try it signing back in. Now just doing that alone should solve your issue. Like I said, if you do have any other accounts in here like Gmail, then you could just try deleting these, especially if it's an unrecognized account, and you can check to see if that's now solved your issue. If that's still not working, come back out of this window, come back over to apps, and then we're going to scroll down again until you see the mail app and click on this. Then we're going to click on mail accounts at the top, and once again we're going to do the exact same thing here. So if you see any unrecognized or unused accounts, then simply delete them from this account section. If you have iCloud here, then click on it, and we can try signing out and signing back in. And once you followed all of these steps, that should have now fixed the cannot verify server identity. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next